Today, we're drawing something dynamite. A super cute baby T-Rex. Start by drawing a big round head shape. This will be our T-Rex's friendly face. Now add a row of little spikes on top, like tiny triangles. These go from the top of the head to the back. Let's draw a big smile. Curve it up so our T-Rex looks happy. Now draw two big round eyes. Add little white ovals inside to make the eyes sparkle. Inside the mouth, draw sharp triangle teeth, but just a few. Not too scary. This is a friendly dino, remember? Next, let's draw the body. A big oval below the head. Now add two short arms with tiny claws. T-Rex arms are small, but strong. Let's give him two strong legs with claws for stomping. Then draw a big curved tail that balances the dino out. You're doing great. Connect more small spikes down the dino's back, from head to tail. They help him look strong and cool. Now, let's add lines on the tummy to show texture. Draw small dark spots on the body. These are like dino freckles. Want to make him extra fun? Add little eyebrows or more tiny lines for movement. Start with the head. Color it a bright green. Then move to the body, arms, legs, and tail. All the same green. Use a darker green for the back spikes. And for the belly and tail stripe, use a lighter green. That gives our T-Rex a nice contrast. Color the inside of the mouth red, and don't forget the white teeth. Add shadows under the arms, tail, and feet, and give the body a little shine with a light touch on the side. Now finish with a big shadow underneath the T-Rex. It helps him stand on the ground. That's it! You've just drawn your own awesome baby T-Rex. He's cute, cool, and totally dino-tastic. What will you name your T-Rex? Mine's called Rexy the Roarsome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawing videos here on VE Kids.